Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video I am going to talk about is revisiting the concept of mutability. So now let's get started. As you know that what is mutability and immutability, okay, mutable and immutable. That is, mutable means changeable and immutable means unchangeable. So now let's get started. So now if you want to modify a value outside of a function, if it's a list of lists, we can at least do one thing, that is we can set a value in that list of lists. So we can do that, but that's not the case here. So now what I will do is I will make all of my game comment. I will select all this one and sync codes, as you know, and save it, and I will go at the top, right? Yeah, okay. So yeah, I will copy this block of code from here to here, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so now let's, don't forget to give one thing, brackets. So now let's run this program. As you can see here, it's printing, right? So we'll close this one. So now what I will do is I will give here in the brackets player equals, I will do one thing, that is copy this line, okay. I've saved this. Now I will go here and print game, and then again print game, and now let's run it again. So as you can see here, there are total three versions. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one, but all of them are different. Why? Because as you can see here, this is the 3 by 3 grid, and this is side by side, and this is also side by side, okay. But these both are different. Why? Because here 0 is there and here 1 is there, okay. So it has been modified. So all of them are different. I will clear up all this one. So now what I will do is I will change the content of the variable. So I want to get rid of this block of code. I will remove this one, and I will also remove this and give bracket, sorry, and then I will want to, okay. So now I will come here and then press enter again, okay. So now I will do one more thing, remove this, okay, and run this program. Oh, it's showing both of the same. That's not true. So okay, we forget to give, okay, what if we give here is print game here, and save it again. I will clear up all this one. Oh, it's showing us some error. It's printing I want to play a game, then it's showing us some error. So what if we give, I will cut this one by pressing Ctrl C, and again I will clear up this one and this program. Oh, it's printing now. So everything is fine, but here it's printing I want to play a game, then it's printing a game, then again it's printing I want to play a game. I don't want that. So why? That's because it's a string. Strings are immutable. This can give some trouble to us later on. So we can always check the unique ID of an element in Python using built-in function id. So now what I will do is I will give here, press here enter, then I will give again print id. Okay, then game. Okay, so now we'll give here also, right. Okay, print id, then game. I will come at the bottom. Okay, id, then game. I will save it now. Okay, I will save it. It's not. So now, as you can see here, the last one and the first one is same. 304 is there, 88304 and 88304, and the middle one is different. Okay, 20368 is there. So which means that this function never actually modified. So now I will remove these two lines. Tic-tac-toe, these two lines, and so now we don't need IDs now. Okay, I will remove. No, I will make this comment. Right. Okay, I will come at the top and make the IDs comment. I will clear up all this one. So now let's go back to playing with lists. So now I will change the content of the variable to list. I will make all this one delete and create some square brackets. I will give 1 comma 2 1 3. I will save it. Now let's run this program. One, two, three. Oh, forget to give here tic-tac-toe, right? Tic-tac-toe, then bracket. So it's printing now. As a game, then 1, 2, 3 is printing. So still now it has not been modified. It's showing 1, 2, 3. So now let's give a game in place of the create here is 0 1 equals 55 and check whether it's oh, now it has been modified. Okay, so now what I will do is I will remove these comments from the IDs and check whether the IDs are changed or not. So I will remove this one, and here also I will go in the top also. Okay, so now what if we IDs are changed? Okay, oh, I will go back what I am doing. So I will go back again. I will remove this list. I will give this okay, and then game is there, ID game, tic-tac-toe, ID game. Delete this one. Okay, so now what I will do is I will add here then again. Okay. So now what I will do is I will add the global game. So now I will add what this keyword does is, it's a keyword, right? So what this keyword does is it allows a user to modify a variable outside of the current scope. So now let's run this program. It's been confusing, right? So I will run it again. Oh, it has been changed. As you can see here, 7792 is there, and at the end it's 5712. Okay, so now what I will do is I will remove the comment from our game. I will delete all this one and remove this one. What I will do is I will add one more thing, that is game underscore map comma space, and I will copy this parameter. I will paste it in place of game, save, then again where it is, yeah, here. And one more thing, that is return game map game underscore map p. Okay, we have given here row comma 2 comma. Okay, and now if we are going to say game map and then return, for that we should always give game. Okay, game is equals to, we should give here is game, otherwise it will show us some error. Game equals to tic-tac-toe, right? Okay, and here also same, we'll copy this one. Oh, we forget one more thing, game. I will type control V comma space row V comma space. So now let's run this program. So now it's printing, it has been changed, it has been modified. So guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.